CRUDer helps in generating a skeleton code for your CRUD application in Node.js in ES5 syntax, and it uses mongoose database. So in order to run it, you can always modify the CRUDer.json file. So let's try generating one CRUD application for ourselves. So let us understand what the settings do. This is the name of the application, and this install means do you want to install the application so that it will install the required dependencies, and the output will be in the build folder, as you can see here, and the entry file will be src. You can name it anything. The language is JS, and I mean this is a JS application, and we might even extend it for other language as well. And the module will be ES5. This is the env file, and this is the db URL. And I think you are going to need this one, the port number the application runs, the entry file, this is the name of the entry file, the route folder, and the schemas folder, and that are inside here. And the most important part is these two settings. One is schemas and the other is routes. So schemas, this is the name of the schema, and these are the two required type. The name of the field. There are other fields in a schema, right? For example, if you create a schema called account, it might have a name, it might have password, it might have username, it might have password, or maybe date field. And the additional settings apart from name and type could be added here in the additional field. And here is the routes. So routes, every route must have a schema, and this is the path, and it must start with slash. I'm not sure if I've added a validation for that, but path is created with middleware in my mind, but I don't think I will be implementing it very soon. But this is the feature that I have to add, right? And CRUD means it has two options, right? You can choose all, or maybe give an array and which are the CRUD that you want. Get, delete, post, and put. These are the 4 CRUD that you can do. You can specify the schema. As you can see here, this is the route it generated for the put, and this is delete. This is the index file, and this is the another route that it generated here. And this is the schema. This is the schema that generated, and it runs perfectly. So in order to run it, go to Node. Make sure you have Node installed. Go to build folder and run index.js. Okay,